Hey guys, so this video here is to show you how to install the demo content for Resdo. So this is a real estate WordPress theme. As you see here, this is the page that you're gonna purchase it from. I will put a link in the description. But so once you purchase this theme, you'll go here, which you so download. So what happens is before we do this, I'm going to show you the normal way. So the regular way that they say you should do it, I'm going to show you that way first. But for this WordPress theme, we're going to have to do it this way because there's an error. So first let me say what I do is that the hosting I use is Namecheap. It's called EasyWP. This is the hosting I use. It's great. I will put a link in the description for you. You can 30-day free to test it out. So 30 days free. Try it out. See what you think. This is the price. This is the best one here because you get more space. Some people go with this one. I don't go with the cheap one. The cheap one does not give you the SSL, which you need to secure your website. So you can choose one of these two. I prefer this one, but it's your choice. And it's the hosting. And if you use other hosting that you see here, Blue Hosting, GoDaddy, other options, look at the comparison. Look how fast it loads. It beats it. And look at the pricing. More expensive. It beats it. So, and this is the cheapest one, which is only $6.88. Not even the $19 one. So, of course. So I want to do that first to show you your options for your hosting. Now let's go into the WordPress theme here. So what I always tell you guys to use is use the plugin. Theme4s, they have their own plugin, so you can easily install your theme. If you only have one theme or you have a lot of themes, you can set it up with your settings, put in the code that it asks you put in that you get from Theme4s, and you have all your plugins and themes here. Makes it easy to install. So let's find the theme that we're going to install today. It is far down. Same author, different theme. I must pass it. Okay, so many themes. I always pass them. Okay, here we go. Let's install it. So this is the way it's supposed to work. So the author, supposed to make it easy for you to easy install, and you will click here, activate. This is the way it's supposed to work. It shows your theme here. You install your plugin, which is another a great thing. They only have one plugin, you guys. Most real estate themes, most WordPress themes have 10, 15, so many plugins. This one only have one plugin, as you see here. Here's the plugin. You install it. There's an install. You activate it. And then I usually do, reset it, go to dashboard. It shows everything here. And then you were supposed to go right here to the back end. This is the back end right here. Theme setup. And then right here, you're supposed to choose your theme. You choose a demo. I go with 4. You run it. It shows you here. Everything is set up. It's supposed to be like that, but it's not. Because you see here, it says page missing, things like that. That means the demo content really didn't work. So if we go to the home page, as it's pulling up right now, there's nothing there, nothing. So that tells you that the demo didn't work. And I think that, you know, a lot of times people purchase themes, they come right here like, hey, how can I do this? What's going on? It's supposed to work. It's supposed to, but they always work that way. So let's go right back here. As I started in the beginning, you'll click this button, you want to download it. And what happens is it's going to give you a file that looks like this. So this is your file that once you download it, you're going to get a file like this. So with that file, let me stretch this out some more. Cover these up. All right, there we go. So you're going to get a file like this. You'll get a file like this. And what you have to do is right click. And then you can go to open. And then when you open it, it would actually I'm wrong, you guys. When you hit download, it's gonna give you a file like this. And this file, you're gonna go here, you're gonna go open with, and then you're gonna click this option here. When you click this option here, it's going to transition the file to open like this. So then you're gonna have a file like this. So you're gonna start with this one, you're gonna open it, you're gonna go here, then you open this file. So then here is all of your files that's inside the WordPress theme. You can find information about how to set it up, things like that right here in your documents. But right now we're going to demo. So we're going to demo content. You're going to find the demo content that you want based on the number. It's numbered out, as you see here. And this is the one you want to choose because it comes with a page editor. So this one comes with a page editor. So you want to make sure you choose that one. So you can pull it out. And then what happens is once you have it, let's go back to the theme. And it's the back end. So we're going to go here. Let's go to settings or tools. Let's go to tools right here. You go to import. So you can go to import. You want to install the WordPress. So you go to WordPress. You install that there. And then it says run import. And what you're doing is you're going to pull up the file, the demo content that you have. You click this one. Let's go to dashboard. This is the file that we chose. Go here. It's going to show up. And then you hit the import button. Find your user person that you wanted to export to, the person who would have the files. Then you hit submit. So once you do this, it should show you like this. Everything is set up. But sometimes it have drama. You have to do it multiple times. But let's see. So as you see here, it's content here. So homepage is there. So now it's not in line like where you need to be. And the reason for it, because we do not have the plugin that we need. It did not install the plugin. So since we are using page editor, you want to make sure you have the plugin. So the reason why it looks like this, because it doesn't have the page editor. So what you got to do is go to the plugin. Let's find the page editor we're looking for. It's not already out because it's not pulling up. Here we go. This is what we need. So let's install it. And you guys, you know, you're not gonna find this. You're not gonna find this nowhere. People are not doing videos on showing you how to do this. So that's why I decided to do these YouTube videos to show you guys how to do this. And then you can go through the steps here, or you can skip it. I use it to skip it. But a good way is just crop that out, go back here, you know, little tools. So now it's installed. So now the homepage should be looking good. As you see here, you see? It's all set up. This is the demo content. It's all set up for you. And if you want to change this, you will go to your appearance, you go to menu, and then you can choose whatever option they have for you already set up, select, or you can create your own. And this is all just for the demo. Go here. Now you go back to the home page. And actually, let's set up the home page. Boom. Home. Blog. Set it up. Boom. And set up. Voila. Got your menu here. This is where you put your images. Here is the listings. It's all set up for you right here. This is the demo content set up for you. And that's the other way to do it. And if you have to edit the page, as you see here, you go to the page editor. But this video is here. It's not to edit the page. I will do another video showing you how to edit the page. But this is the quick rundown. You see, edit it right here. You choose your options, and it's added the whole page right there, which is great. And then right here, you just take something that you want from here and just stick it over. Boop. That's it. Just take it, pull it over. And the way to just quick edit the home page is you go this option here, edit page, and we'll edit the top part, the gallery. As you see here, it shows you right here how you edit everything. Videos, contact form, and this is your photo gallery. Choose how long you want it. That's it. And that's how you install it, you guys. That's the other way to install the demo content. I hope this helped you. I hope that this video will show you how to install it, because a lot of time you purchase a theme, you go through the issue that you go through, and you have to contact the author to say, hey, can you help me with this? The author is busy. He have a lot of people that he's dealing with. So this way, you now can just install the demo content yourself. There you go. All right, you guys. Until next time.